There's a question that can trap you in a cycle of despair, a question that echoes in the quiet moments after a failure. Why me? It's a question that seeks a reason for suffering but finds only resentment. It keeps you anchored to the past, replaying the moment of impact, wishing for a different outcome. But the truth is, life doesn't owe us an explanation. The real shift, the moment your future begins to bend in a new direction, happens when you let go of that question. It happens when you replace it with two simple, powerful words. What now? Pain is an unavoidable part of the human experience. It shows up uninvited. Disappointment will find you, whether it's a project you poured your soul into that fails, or a door that slams shut just as you were about to walk through. Life doesn't always go your way. You will face rejection. You will stumble. You will feel the sting of not being enough. These moments are guaranteed. And in those moments, it's tempting to drown in the why, to let the setback define you. Victims stay in why, replaying their grievances, paralyzed by the injustice of it all. But leaders, creators, and champions rise in the what now. They accept the reality of the situation, not with resignation, but with resolve. They understand that every ending is a new beginning in disguise. What now is the question that sparks action. It turns setbacks into strategy, forcing you to find a new path when the old one is blocked. It's the pivot from problem to plan. What now transforms hurt into hunger. It channels the raw energy of frustration and disappointment into fuel for the next attempt, making you more determined than you were before. What now turns obstacles into evolution. Every challenge you overcome builds a new layer of resilience. Every failure teaches a lesson that success cannot. This is how you grow. The power is not in the situation. That is external. The power is in your response. That is internal. It's the one thing you can always control. So the next time life pushes you down, the next time you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders, take a breath, let go of the need for an explanation, and ask yourself the question that will change everything. What now? What can I build from this?
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.